In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on Discord. If you want to add friends on Discord, make sure you have their username right. So tell them to send you their username so as you can just add them up. So as you can be talking with them, maybe your friends, your family. Open up your Discord. You're going to see the add friends option. Click on it. Now, I think there's some ways you can add friend, right? You can share your invite link. You can copy your invite link to them. You can find your friends, like if you allow Discord to be able to see your friends on your Discord friends or your contacts list, or you can add them up by the username. So if you have the username, come on here, enter the username, right? So let me see if I type in James now, right? So you're gonna be able to enter the username here, so they'll be able to see. If you send them a friend request, you're gonna be able to see their friend request, right? So I can just type in James000 for an instance. So come on here, add their username. Yeah, so you can see I was able to send James a friend request now. So if I go to my friend request list, so you see I sent James a friend request. So this is it. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.